Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Morningstar versus Flail. We'll explore the unique design and combat applications of these formidable medieval weapons. The Morningstar, with its fixed spiked head, offers direct impact and piercing power. In contrast, the Flail's chained head provides a more unpredictable and kinetic attack. Understanding their differences is key to appreciating their historical roles and effectiveness in battle. Let's dive into the specifics of each weapon. The Morningstar is characterized by its robust construction, featuring a heavy, often spiked metal ball securely mounted on a sturdy wooden shaft. This rigid connection allows for excellent control and direct transfer of force upon impact. Its design makes it highly effective for delivering powerful, focused blows, capable of crushing armor or inflicting deep wounds. A typical Morningstar might weigh between 2 and 5 pounds, providing significant momentum with each swing, making it a formidable weapon in close-quarters combat. The Flail stands apart with its distinctive flexible design, featuring a weighted head, which could be spiked or plain, attached to a handle by a chain. This chain, often 1 to 3 feet long, allows the head to accelerate rapidly, generating immense kinetic energy. The Flail's unpredictable trajectory makes it challenging for opponents to block, enabling strikes around shields or guards. However, this flexibility also demands considerable skill to wield effectively, as mishandling could lead to self-injury. When comparing the Morningstar and the Flail, control versus kinetic energy is a primary distinction. The Morningstar offers precise control and direct, crushing power, making it relatively straightforward to use. In contrast, the Flail's flexible chain allows for powerful, arcing strikes that can bypass defenses, but it demands significant skill and practice to master. Each weapon served distinct tactical roles, with the Morningstar favoring direct engagement and the Flail excelling in disrupting formations and bypassing shields.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.